Get out.
Stop, please stop.
Stop.
Wait, stop.
Get out, man.
Please. Stop.
2026년 1월 16일 경관이 스쿨존 구역에서 과속한 차 한 대를 세웠습니다.
Hi there. I'm Corporal Morgan with the Hearst Police Department. Reason why you're getting stopped, you were just driving through a school zone going 40. It's a 25 through there. Do you have your driver's license proof of insurance with you today? Where y'all heading to this afternoon?
Home.
Coming from?
Why?
Just a question.
It's none of your business.
I'm sorry?
It's none of your business.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It is.
Okay. Do you have your insurance?
I'm showing you that.
Any reason for the hurry this afternoon?
I wasn't in a hurry. I didn't even see a school.
Oh, there's a
zone.
flashing signal as you were driving through, directly on the side of the roadway. Can I see your phone? That's good till March. Let me go check on your license. I'll be right back with you. I'll just stay in the car for me. Okay, Tanisha, you'll be receiving a citation today for the speed. I just need to get a signature from you. This is not an admission of guilt.
I'm not.
It's a promise.
That.
You're not going to sign it?
No, I'm not.
That's fine. I'll just put refuse. I need to get the VIN number on the car real quick. I'll enter that. I'll print you your copy and send you on your way. Where's your registration sticker on the car?
I just bought this car, so I'm waiting for it.
Okay.
Any more questions?
I'm just asking.
Okay. I told you.
Do you have your bill of sale with the car then?
No, I don't.
Okay, you should probably carry that with you if you're not going to display your registration sticker.
Well, I wasn't told that, so we might need to get updated on the laws.
All right, give me just a second. All right, here's your copy of the citation. As far as the bills, you don't want to take it?
No.
Well, it's going to take it because it's your citation. That's your citation. That's littering. Step out of the car.
운전자는 경관이 차 안에 넣어준 통지서를 잡더니 차 밖으로 던져버립니다. 그리고 이 무단 투기 행위로 인해 상황은 즉시 체포로 전환됩니다.
Don't
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that.
Yes, ma'am.
Off my
Step
car.
out.
I'm not stepping
Step out.
Look. I'm not
6963.
yes,
Step out.
I'm not
Step out.
Don't
Step out.
Don't touch
Step
me.
out.
Don't touch me.
Step
Don't
it out.
I'm not stepping
Step
out
out.
of shit. Call
Step
your
out.
motherfucking supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
You're not the supervisor.
Yes, I am.
Call your
I am the
supervisor.
corporal.
A
Step out.
supervisor. I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
out of nothing. Get
Step
your
out.
fucking hand off me.
Step
Get your
out.
hand off me. Get your hand off me. I will step
Step
out
out.
when the supervisor.
I
I'm
am
not
the
stepping
supervisor.
out of nothing.
Ma'am.
Get your hand off
Tanisha.
me. Get your hand
I'm not
off
letting
me.
go.
You littered. You
I
dropped
am
the
not.
ticket, not
I
me.
put the ticket
no,
in the car
you dropped the
because
ticket,
that's your
not
copy.
me. You dropped the ticket, not me. Get your hands off me.
Take the ticket
you're
and
touching
go.
Me. Give me the ticket. You're touching me forcibly. You're holding me
Because
too tight, and you're being out of line.
you are resisting.
Y'all see this, right?
Sir, I'm sorry.
Stop.
Can she just get the ticket?
No, you stop.
Stop.
Why are you holding my arm like
Because
this?
I gave you the
Why?
ticket,
No, you
then
did
you
not.
proceeded
you
to throw
dropped
it.
the ticket,
I
not
put it
me.
in your car,
I told you I did
and
not
you
want
proceeded to
it.
throw
You
it out of
dropped
the car.
You dropped it. You're doing too much. I'm not afraid of you. Get
That's
your hand
fine,
off of
but
me.
I've asked you
You're
to step
holding
out of
me
the car.
forcibly for no reason.
Because you need to step
Get
out
your
of the
fucking
car.
hands off
Step
me.
out of the car.
No, what am I stepping out
Is there anything I can do to get you to comply?
Look, Mom, he just said
To
take the ticket. and we
comply.
got it.
You
He
threw
said
the
take
car out of the
ticket and
car.
No, I did not. You did that.
He said
You
take
threw
the
the
ticket
ticket
and
at
we
me.
I gave it to you so
You
you
threw
could
the
leave,
ticket at
and then
me.
you grabbed it
Okay,
and threw it out.
give me the
It's on
ticket.
your phone
Give
video.
me the ticket.
It's no,
Give me the
we're
ticket.
past that.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Step
For
out of the
what?
car, littering.
Okay.
Step out of the car.
No, I'm not.
You are under arrest.
No, when the
Yes, ma'am.
If he just
when your
grabs it,
colonel
can you
gets
No,
here,
we are
then
beyond
I will
that.
Step out.
Step
I'm
out.
not getting out of the car.
Step out.
I'm with my child, and I'm not
I
doing
understand
that.
you're with
Call
your
father
child.
right now.
Step out of the car.
I'm not.
Step
I'm
out
not.
of the
I'll
car.
step out when another officer gets here. I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
I don't trust you. You're holding me too strong.
Because
and I don't trust you.
I don't trust
you. Don't
you to
have
not
to hold
leave.
me like I'm not going anywhere. Where am I going to go?
I will stop holding
I'm
you
not
if
gonna
you
go
step out of the
anywhere.
car.
I'm not stepping out of the car.
You need to
Call
step
your
out of the
colonel
car.
And I will get out of the car.
This is
You're
resisting
holding me-
arrest.
I'm not resisting arrest.
Because you're not
what am I
answering
under
my
arrest
order.
For?
Littering.
What am I under arrest for? I didn't litter.
You
did
threw the
that.
ticket out
no,
the
I did
window.
not. You did that. You did that. It's all on camera.
You're
so
correct.
when your colonel gets here, then I will step out. I have my child with me.
I am the
I'm not
corporal.
getting out of. You have a supervisor. Okay.
I am the supervisor
so when
on
your
duty.
supervisor gets here,
He
then
is
I
not-
will step
I am
out
the
of the
highest
car.
ranking
Call
supervisor.
someone else
I don't
to
have
come
anyone
here.
else.
There is someone else.
Not right now.
There is someone
You
else.
need to
Let me
step
call
out of the car.
911.
Stop.
Get your
Stop.
phone.
Wait, please, sir, stop.
Get out.
Wait, stop, Mom, chill
Get
out, Mom.
out.
Wait, stop, sir, please stop.
Stop.
Wait,
Get
sir,
out.
Stop, please stop.
Stop.
Stop. Wait, stop.
Get out, man.
Stop, please. Please, stop.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
How am I going to roll over on?
Roll over. Lower to the left. Pull your hand up. All you had to do is take the ticket and leave. She's in custody. This way. Step up. My feet, please. There we go. Go into this car back here. Right there. Spread your feet for me. No guns, drugs, knives on you, right? No guns, drugs, or knives on you. Yes or no?
They don't look like I got any guns, drugs, or knives on me.
He doesn't know, that's why he's asking you.
That's why I asked you. It's a yes or no question. Keys in the back of my hand.
Get my phone.
Get in there.
체포된 운전자는 얼마 후 자신이 촬영한 단속 영상을 SNS에 올려 경찰이 과잉 진압을 했다고 주장했습니다. 하지만 허스트 경찰국은 사건 전체가 담긴 바디캠 풀버전을 정식 공개하며 사태를 바로잡았습니다. 운전자 통신 측은 체포 과정에서 입술이 찢어져 꿰매는 등 중상을 입었다며 과잉 진압과 인종차별을 이유로 연방 민사소송을 제기하겠다고 반박했습니다. 이에 대해 경찰 내부 감찰 조사 결과 경관의 집행은 정당했던 것으로 최종 결론 지어졌으며 테런트 카운티 검찰은 운전자 톰슨을 체포저항 혐의로 정식 기소했습니다.